Right now, trillions of cells in your body are doing something incredible. They're converting food into energy. But here's the thing, it's not one simple process. It's actually a beautiful choreography of 3 different pathways. And most people have no idea how it really works. Everything starts with glucose. Your body breaks down food into glucose, which is like fuel for your cells. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Glucose doesn't just burn up instantly. Instead, it enters the cell and follows 3 different pathways. Some of it goes through glycolysis, some through the citric acid cycle, and some through oxidative phosphorylation. Each one extracts energy, but in completely different ways. Let's start with glycolysis. This happens in the cytoplasm, outside the mitochondria. Glucose gets split into 2 smaller molecules called pyruvate. Now here's the payoff. This splitting releases energy that gets captured in something called ATP. ATP is literally the currency of energy in your cells. You get 2 ATP molecules per glucose. Not huge, but it's fast and it works everywhere in your body. And the beautiful part? This pathway needs 0 oxygen. It's your emergency backup system. Now those pyruvate molecules enter the mitochondria for the second pathway, the citric acid cycle, also called the Krebs cycle. This is where things get really sophisticated. The pyruvate gets converted into something called acetyl-CoA, which enters this cycle that goes round and round. Each time it cycles, it extracts electrons and energy. These electrons get passed to special carriers called NAD+ and FAD. Think of these carriers like delivery trucks picking up energy packages. They transport these electrons to the final pathway where the real energy explosion happens. This cycle produces 4 ATP molecules plus those electron-carrying molecules. Now comes the grand finale, oxidative phosphorylation and the electron transport chain. This is where the real energy jackpot happens. Those electron-carrying trucks arrive at the inner mitochondrial membrane. The electrons get passed along a chain of proteins like a relay race. Each transfer releases energy that pumps protons across the membrane, building up pressure. Then boom! Those protons rush back through a special protein channel called ATP synthase. And this spinning motion literally manufactures ATP. We're talking about 30 to 32 ATP molecules from one glucose. This is why you need oxygen. It's the final electron acceptor that keeps the whole process running. No oxygen, no electron transport, no energy production. So here's the beautiful summary. Glycolysis in the cytoplasm gives you 2 ATP quickly. The citric acid cycle in the mitochondria extracts electrons and produces 4 ATP. And the electron transport chain, that's where the magic happens, producing 30 ATP through oxygen-powered energy harvesting. 1 glucose molecule, 3 pathways, roughly 36 ATP total. That's your cellular power plant. Every moment of every day, billions of these reactions are happening inside you, converting food into motion, thought, and life itself. Pretty remarkable when you really think about it. Now you understand why your body needs food, why oxygen matters, and exactly how cells transform it all into energy. The next time you feel tired and need something, remember, you're not just feeding yourself, you're fueling billions of tiny power plants running 3 simultaneous pathways to keep you alive. This is cellular respiration. This is how life works at the smallest scale. And honestly, it's one of the most elegant systems nature has ever created. Your body is doing this right now without you thinking about it for even a second.